Most people, when they hear that you built a web app with AI, ask the same two questions. How much did it cost and what tools did you use? And this is normal questions, but honestly, this is not the most interesting part. The most valuable part of building real products is the mistakes you find only after the real users start using them. So, in this video, I will show you real numbers, real tool costs, and most importantly, 2 mistakes I found during testing that could have easily cost me users. So, if you are interested in AI products, real numbers, how businesses are built with AI today, or how automation works and how systems are created with tools like Na10, Lovable and something else, this channel is exactly about that, so subscribe and keep watching. Okay, now let's talk about ownership cost and how much it really costs today to maintain a web application. I will explain this using Stay in Touch, my application, as an example. A system like this can be maintained by one engineer, not a full development team. When it comes to tools, everything is quite clear. For example, Lovable, 100 credits, this is subscription of around $25. In my case, the first version of this product took about 100 credits. Next one, Supabase database. If you talk about one project, it will cost free. If you have multiple products, pricing starts at around $25 plus an extra cost for each additional project. Then Na10, the cloud version costs around $25 again per month. But if you have self-host and it's on your own server, you can keep it under $10 or even less. Then LLM cost. It depends on your usage, but for message generation, like in my application, it is cents. And at scale with even hundreds people, it becomes few dollars. So also I connected Stripe, and this is free. You can start accepting payments and selling your project without building complex payment infrastructure from day one. Now let's move on to the most important part, testing. I have Russian-speaking YouTube channel and Telegram channel, and before releasing this product to the world, it made sense to test it with real people. Thanks to my audience, I was able to do that, and it helped a lot because 2 critical issues appeared that I would never see if I tested the product only by myself. The first issue was multilingual support. I'm used to working in English. I watch a lot of content in English. I write prompts for AI assistant in English. So this language become comfortable and natural for me. So the application was initially built only in English. But for my users, the Russian-speaking market, this was a problem. Some people simply couldn't start using the product properly. I had to add multiple languages urgently, and this is where I realized that I made an architecture mistake. Adding multilingual support at the final stage cost me exactly 50 credits, Lovable credits, while the whole project development took around 100 credits. And this happens because the tool that I used, Lovable, had to rewrite almost all the code across all pages to support multiple languages. If multilingual support was planned at the PRD and architecture stage, it would be added automatically with every new feature. The lesson here is simple. If you plan to build a web app and potentially work with different audience, It is better to include multilingual support at the architecture stage. It gives you flexibility, helps you to scale, and can increase revenue in the long run. The second issue was another strong lesson for me: mobile version. I work on desktop computer, and I tested the application on a desktop computer, and I simply didn't think enough about how it would work on mobile. But most users open the application on their phones, and the application has a guided tour that helps user understand the interface. On mobile, this guided tour blocked access completely. The users couldn't finish onboarding, and the button didn't work, and the person simply couldn't use the product. The mistake was small, but the impact was huge, and the user just leaves, and you lose them without even understanding why. This clearly shows that in 2026, mobile adaptation is not an extra feature. It is a basic requirement even for web applications. Testing with real people is not a formality. It is a critical step. I understand that not everyone has an audience or subscribers to test their products, but you can always ask friends, colleagues, or people you know to try it, click around, and give you honest feedback. This can save you much more money than you expect, simply because you avoid losing users due to small but painful mistakes. In the next videos, I will share more experience from building this product, what else I had to change, what I improved, and I will show the app itself and real use cases. So, if you want to follow this journey with me, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want to try my application, stay in touch right now. It is a product that helps you improve networking by generating ready-to-use messages for your contact list and sending them at the right time follow-ups. So this product's already live, and the link in the description. Let's stay in touch.